Hi you guys, Street Genius here, and I'm here to tell you guys everything that's been going on new with Flutter 2. Let's get to it. One thing that I'm happy to find out about is the fact that Flutter is now available on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This actually means that not only can we develop native apps in Android and iOS, we have a specific partnership now with Windows, which allows us to develop Windows apps specifically for Windows devices and also Linux.
We not only enabled Flutter for Linux, we also worked with the Flutter team to publish the Flutter SDK as a snap in the Snap Store, the App Store for Linux. By publishing the Flutter SDK as a snap, we've made it very easy to install and set up your development environment to build mobile, web, and desktop apps with Flutter on Ubuntu. Flutter is the default choice for future desktop and mobile apps created by Canonical.
We also have stable web. I'm really excited about this stable web. Let's take Loop for instance. Let's take Loop. With Loop now we have the mobile form of the app, and due to Flutter 2, we're currently migrating it to now we're going to have a website devoted primarily to Loop. So this is what comes with Flutter.
Now the web has many strengths, including ubiquity and reach. So if you're building a Flutter app, you now get to reach users outside of app stores. And with the power of URLs, users across operating systems or device types could be directed to any part of your app, from links that are shared by friends, clicked on in search, from an email, from anywhere.
Another big news that came from the Flutter Engage meeting was the fact that Toyota, the world's biggest car manufacturer, now has plans to bring a digital experience to their cars, and guess what they're going to be writing in? Dart, with the framework of Flutter. I can't wait to see this.
Today we're excited to announce that Toyota is partnering with Flutter to bring a best-in-market digital experience to vehicles.
To wrap it all up, guys, Flutter 2 is amazing, and I can't wait to see what we can do with this new toolkit. If anyone wants to learn how to use Flutter, make sure you go to the link in the description. Download the book, Flutter for Beginners, a genius guide to Flutter app development, and you can see how you can go from point A to point B, development to launch. See you there.